If your X account, Twitter account, got hacked, first of all, do not panic, because I'm here, dude. I will solve your problem. Just follow these simple steps. If someone changed your password or details, Step 1. Try logging in. Use email, phone number, or username. Step 2. Immediately change password. Go to Settings and Support, Settings and Privacy. Your account, change password. If hacker didn't change password yet, change it instantly. Step 3. If you can't log in, tap Forgot Password and reset it. Step 4. Secure your account. After logging in, remove unknown devices. Check connected apps. Update your email and phone, and very important, enable two-factor authentication. After recovering your account, do these steps. Step 1. Go to Settings and Support, Security and Account Access, Security. Step 2. Tap two-factor authentication. And Step 3 is to enable SMS verification, authentication app, and security key if available. This prevents hackers from accessing your account again.